Rugurura giri munene wa maafitha a Mbiraru aria meguterebaga igongona ria kuririkana munene wa Mbiraru Francis Ogolla arita njira imwe ya guteithia wira uria Ogolla ararutaga. Atongoria Ngurani Nimeguiinyitie kiharo-ini giki kia jeshi kia Ulinzi Complex mwena wa Lang'ata kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari Ruto ni umwe wa atongoria aria meguikinyitie igongona-ini riri na gucakaya gikuo kia abitha wa Mbiraru Francis Ogolla na maabitha angi aria makuireire mutino-ini wa ndege, akiuga bururi ni worwo ni njamba ya wira, mundu urendete bururi wake na mundu urenyihitie wira-ini wake.
General Ogolla was involved in various services for the benefit . General Ogolla was always clear-minded on the strategies the military could execute and how to grow the Kenya Defence Forces. We still must do the utmost to make sure that we protect our men and women in service. And part of what General had planned is the modernization of equipment that is being used by our military.
Kuona Ogolla arakuire wira-ini wake, Munini wa Mutongoria wa bururi wa Gachagua niamucakaite na kuuga ati ni kionereria kuri bururi kia mundu urerutiire gukwira bururi wake na guthingata atongoria othe gukorwo makihimbiria thayu.
General Ogolla, despite being a very tough general and commander who is celebrated for his various accomplishments, the general would organize us, and only when he felt that your plane has taken off safely into the skies, he would say, Deputy President and the rest of you, you may now fall out. That was General Ogolla for you.
Munene wake mutongoria wa mwahu wa Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga onake ndanatigwo na thutha gucakaya munene wa Mbiraru Francis Ogolla na kuga ati niaratĩte ciugo cia rwĩmbo rwa bururi harĩ gũthingata ũrũmwe na ũiguano wa bururi.
We are paying farewell to a four-star general who has died not in the field of combat but through a tragic aircraft accident. He showed that he loved his country and he was prepared to serve and die on behalf of his country.
Minister wa miaka Aden Duale ni Acakaite Ogolla ta mundu urari na ucamba wa kung'ethanira na mwerito hamwe na mundu urehotorete kurugama na bururi wa Kenya.
As we bid farewell to General Francis Ogolla, let's honor his memory by upholding the values he held very dear: loyalty, honor, and service to our country. And to the Kenya Defence Forces, let us uphold the unity and the camaraderie he championed through his motto, one force, one mission.
Munene wa Kenya Fara wa Dudu ya Maminista Musalia Mudavadi ndanatigwo na thutha gucakaya Ogolla ta mundu urari munyihia makiria wira-ini wake wa Mbiraru kuona ni muhiano mwega kuri atongoria guku bururi-ini.
If there was a description of humility, an epitome of humility, then the general who has fallen is indeed a symbol of humility.
Ngiribotera Muthigi TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjiru wa Maina.